Hello everyone, my name is Angela Mura. In this video, I'm going to share some highlights from my recent educational trip to various industries in Mombasa. The tour gave me a clear picture on how various sectors work together in production of different products. In Mombasa, we had a privilege of visiting various industry organizations such as AVA, which is an associated vehicle assembly, Mombasa Cement. We also went to African Marine, the Broro Kenya, Mombasa Ferry, and the Kenya Pipeline Company. I'm going to give a small detail on each company, on what I saw and what I learned from each. On our first day, we visited AVA, which is an associated vehicle assembly. AVA, we saw how the vehicles are assembled together. That is from the installation of the chassis, the engine mounting, how the painting is done, and also the final testing of these vehicles. In their production line, we saw various skilled personnel and various advanced machine which are very advanced, how they worked hand in hand together in production of the vehicles. AVA has enabled in creation of various job opportunity to various young people, and also has reduced the importation of more vehicles, which is good, which is ensuring that we have at least local assembling of our vehicles in Kenya. On our next day, we went to Mombasa Cement. Mombasa Cement is one of the largest producers of cement here in Kenya. We saw how they process the raw materials like the limestone, the clay, the iron ore in order to produce the cement which we use in our daily construction works. There were various machines such as the crushers which were used for crushing these raw materials, the rotatory kilns where the crushed raw materials were heated. They mainly use the coal as a source of fuel in heating these rotatory kilns. We also saw the silos where they keep some of this already produced cement. The company ensured the safety and the quality of the product is attained. That is from measuring the quantities they use in the production of the cement. On our third day, we also went to Broro Kenya. Broro Kenya, they are the manufacturers of steel pipes and tubes which are used in industrial and construction for construction uses. There we saw how the steel tubes are made. That's from molding them, shaping, and the safety testing, the testing of the tubes. They had various machines which are very advanced. That is the technology was more advanced, and also they follow very strict safety standards to ensure their product is good, that's more reliable and durable for construction and industrial uses. Broro has enabled in production of more of their products are more standard, they're more of required in our construction use or in our industrial uses. We also went to African Marine. At the African Marine, we were introduced to the field of marine engineering. There we saw how the ships were dry docked and worked on. That is, from the hull repairing, there are some repairs which are done on the ship once they arrive. Also the engine servicing and the painting, where we are told that different paints, they are used for various different purposes. Marine enables us to appreciate the importance of the maritime trades, various maritime trades, and also has enabled in the shipping of various products throughout the country. Also, we discovered that working in the marine required very skilled personnel, and also to ensure safety of these ships when they are transporting various products across the sea. That is, their safety will also ensured. That's checking the ships before they leave for various destinations, and also once they arrive, they also check of their worth. We also visited the Kenya Pipeline Company, that is KPC, who are the transporters and they store oil products. We saw various tanks which are used for storage, and also we learned how the transportation of oil is done through pipes. The oil products are transported using one pipe, but they are differentiated using their densities. We were shown the control system. This control system monitors the pressure, the flow, and the safety in transportation of this product to different destinations. Safety is one of the key factors which they always ensured is attained throughout the company. The KPC has ensured that the transportation of this oil product is reaches safely and is more secure. They ensure there's no leakage. Once there's leakage, they ensure it is worked on. Our final stop was at the Mombasa ferry, which is based at Likoni. The ferry operates. There we saw the ferry operates between the main Mombasa Island and the mainland. We saw how it transports thousands of people and vehicles in each and every day life. We saw how it operates, thus it ensures that the safety of the people is attained, and also how it manages the large crowd of people to cross safely or to reach safely to the next point. Marine has enabled the working of people between from one point to another to be more easier. From this trip, I learned that teamwork and collaboration is the main key in our day life, and also the use of technology and safety application in each and every part of production is a major key, and something which should always be followed. Also, I was also able to see how to relate how the theoretical work and that of the industry is being linked out there. Finally, I want to say thank you for those organizations that hosted us, and also to our lecturers and the institution for organizing this educational trip. For us, it was a good one, and it was an educative one. Thank you for watching.